BioNormalizer is the first health food to potently inhibit the activity of free radicals by scavenging hydroxyl radicals, the most dangerous of the free radicals, and by enhancing the activity of superoxide dismutase, which metabolically degrades superoxide radicals. Nature expresses the vast underlying pattern that extends throughout the universe. Every living thing on Earth is born and develops within the delicate balance of nature, including man himself. The origins of life on Earth go back over 3.5 billion years. The first living organism on Earth is believed to have been created through the chemical evolution of molecules at the bottom of the sea, where it was protected from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Today, medical science is only just beginning to understand the origins of life through advances in molecular cytology and even subatomic physics. These advances have opened the door to an understanding of disease and aging, with modern theories often going against conventional wisdom. Atoms, the basic building blocks of matter, are composed of a nucleus circled by charged particles called electrons. Electrons normally orbit the nucleus in pairs that follow the same path. In some atoms, however, there is only one electron in the outermost orbit. Atoms or molecules with such unpaired electrons are called free radicals. There are many types of free radicals, most of which are unstable. When free radicals react inside the body, they can damage cell membranes and tissues. The free radicals called superoxides, a type of active oxygen, and hydroxyl radicals in particular, are believed to be especially harmful to the human body. Deeply linked to the mystery of life is DNA, found in the nucleus at the heart of every cell. DNA is a double helix molecule, only 1/5 millionth of a millimeter thick, but is nearly 2 meters long if fully extended, and contains a complex record of information necessary for life. Superoxides and hydroxyl radicals damage DNA, affecting its biological code and impairing the normal regenerative capacity of the cell. According to the latest theory about free radicals, strong radicals damage biological membranes and sever DNA chains. This leads to the various causes of cell death and cancer. There are numerous illnesses in which free radicals are believed to play a major role. Such diseases include aging, liver disease, immunological problems, brain disorders, and cancer. In other words, the elimination of free radicals can help to prevent more than 90% of all diseases. Now let's take a closer look at disease, aging, and the body's natural therapeutic capacity. The adult human body is said to consist of approximately 60 trillion different cells. The source of activity of all living things are the changes that occur in the substances composing those cells. Disease and aging occur because a problem develops in this mechanism of cell rebirth, and the normal regenerative capacity of the cells deteriorates. But what causes such a change in this mechanism of life? One cause is the entry of foreign matter into the body. Leukocytes and macrophages gather around bacteria and other infectious substances, moving like amoeba to envelop and destroy the invader. As part of their bactericidal action, leukocytes and macrophages produce active oxygen to attack the bacteria through oxidation action. This vigorous battle goes on throughout the body. Viruses and pathogens are the cause of some diseases. But according to the free radical theory, the very factors that induce cell oxidation are at the root of disease. Among the many factors that can induce cell oxidation are exposure to short electromagnetic waves, such as ultraviolet rays and radiation, including the waves used for computer tomography and echograms. Exposure to chemical substances, anti-cancer drugs, and other pharmaceuticals, cell metabolism, and severe stress. One of today's most pressing problems, environmental pollution, is also a major reason why so much foreign matter enters the body. The products of modern civilization that man has created, including materials that don't occur in nature, atomic radiation from nuclear power plant accidents and other causes, X-rays and ultraviolet radiation used in medicine, air and water pollution from industrial waste, land and air pollution from agricultural chemicals, and even all too familiar tobacco smoke can all create causes for illness. The Earth today is immersed in poisons. The damage from these poisons has begun to overflow, leading to an almost daily increase in the incidence of serious illnesses, chronic diseases, and unusual diseases. The question then is, how have we so far been able to live a relatively healthy life in such an environment? The answer is enzymes in the body that eliminate excess active oxygen radicals. One body enzyme that helps eliminate harmful radicals is SOD, superoxide dismutase. But when the level of toxins in food, or from environmental contamination, or through heavy intake of drugs and chemicals, exceeds the capacity of SOD, the body cells come under attack. Free radical scavenger, BioNormalizer. The papaya is a fruit that flourishes under the harsh ultraviolet rays of the tropical sun. BioNormalizer is a granulated compound of tropical fruits, including papaya, containing large amounts of crude papain enzyme, biodocked with original fermentation enzymes derived from traditional Japanese foods. No chemical extraction or purification is involved in the manufacturing process. Instead, BioNormalizer is produced by culturing, fermentation, and what could be called biocatalytic growth. BioNormalizer is a multifunctional fermented food supplement that adjusts the body's production of active oxygen by leukocytes and macrophages, and as a result, significantly reduces hydroxyl radicals. It also effectively enhances SOD activity. The antioxidation action of BioNormalizer, which functions by controlling and eliminating free radicals, was tested at the Institute for Neurobiology at Okayama University Medical School. These tests confirmed that BioNormalizer significantly eliminates hydroxyl radicals and inhibits lipid peroxidation dose-dependently. BioNormalizer was also shown to enhance SOD activity, boost resistance to cell aging, and improve the mean survival rate. These test results passed the stringent scrutiny of international academic organizations.